In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate custom AI features into your WordPress site using a suitable plugin that supports AI integrations. This is a brilliant way to enhance your website's functionality and user experience, all with the help of advanced AI technology. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to install a WordPress plugin that is compatible with AI integrations. You can do this by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate the Plugins option on the menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in keywords related to AI plugins that suit your intended application. There are several options available, so choose one that aligns with your needs, paying attention to ratings and reviews to ensure a reliable choice. After selecting the plugin that best fits your requirements, hit the Install Now button, followed by Activate. With that, your WordPress is now equipped with an AI-capable plugin, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Now that the plugin is up and running, it's time to export or prepare your existing AI project for WordPress compatibility. This is quite an essential step, as it will ensure that your AI features work seamlessly within your WordPress environment. If you're using a service like Lovable AI, ensure your project is configured to work with WordPress. This might involve downloading specific files or using tools provided by the AI service to generate content that WordPress can readily accept. Double-check everything to ensure there are no incompatibilities or missing elements before moving forward. With your project prepped for WordPress, it's time to integrate these AI features into your site, and you can do this through the use of shortcodes or embed code. These are incredibly handy as they act as simple placeholders within your WordPress pages or posts, inserting complex functionalities without the need to manually code. Refer to your AI plugin documentation or the Lovable AI service support materials for the correct shortcodes or embed codes to use. Simply copy and paste these codes into the appropriate spot on your WordPress page, typically within the page editor, and it should be all set to display. Next, configure your API keys and related settings within WordPress for the Lovable AI services. This is crucial for the seamless operation and communication between your website and the AI services. Access the plugin settings from the WordPress dashboard and locate the section where you can input your API key. This key acts as a unique identifier, linking your specific AI services to your WordPress site. Make sure you enter all necessary information accurately to avoid connectivity issues. Finally, it's time to test the AI functionalities on your WordPress site. After going through all the steps, visit the front end of your site to ensure everything is appearing and functioning as expected. Check each segment where the AI features are embedded. You want to assure that they are operational and contributing to the user experience as planned. Make any necessary adjustments in the plugin settings or configuration if something isn't working correctly. And there you have it, a smoothly integrated AI feature on your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and happy developing!